So not only is it a promotion, I also get to share it with my best friend.
Just give him all the boring jobs.
Exactly. But we would be equals, and there is a significant pay increase.
But why don't you start off with that? Yeah, I finally feel like things are going right for this family.
After everything we've been through, I'd say we've earned it. I mean, look at those two. Sometimes I forget how young they really are.
Wait, you thought you was pregnant?
For like 5 minutes. But it got me thinking, maybe a baby's not such a bad idea.
I don't understand why I got to help you out when you're the one that made the mess.
Mum? Where's Shaq?
I sent him upstairs to catch up on his sleep. It's been an emotional night.
How are you feeling?
Lighter. When I breathe now, it's like I'm finally able to take in a full breath. Does that make any sense? You know, I used to pride myself that I could cope, that what happened wouldn't affect me. I could be a good doctor, good wife, good mum.
Hey, you're a brilliant mum. You always have been.
Still, I've been looking through these old photos.
Wow, Mum, attitude. I love it.
Where do you think you get it from? I was so confident back then. I used to think I'd change the world until him. And then I started doubting myself, questioning my judgment. I lost that fire. All this time, I've been thinking that I've been managing, but I've never been free. It's like I've been holding my breath since that day. And he did that to me.
Now we need to start thinking about the next steps.
You're not talking about legal action.
Of course I am. You know, I said to Shaq we'd deal with this in the right way. Ali needs to pay, and I thought you'd be first in line.
Yeah, but it's not about me, is it? It's not even about Ali. It's about Mum and what she wants.
You're right. I'm sorry. Well, do you want to press charges?
No, it took you long enough to get me out.
Sorry. I've been hammering out a settlement with Mikey's dad and his legal team all day, convincing them to drop the charges.
So what we're looking at?
He's taking no further action against you.
Wow, you are good.
Yeah, but there's a catch. He's threatened to blacklist D Valley Law, including Sammy and I, unless we buy you out of the firm.
That's ridiculous. I'm a senior partner. Who does he think he is?
Yeah, but he's a powerful man, James. We need him on side if the firm's going to survive. I don't have a choice.
Wait, what are you saying?
I'm sorry, James, but you can't be part of D Valley Law anymore.
Sorry to show up like this, but I know you've been avoiding me because, well, you know.
When someone says, I love you, you say it back. That's the rule. But I didn't. So it's just like it's hanging there, like a sentence that hasn't been finished, and I can't stand it. But I can't say it back. Not yet. I don't know what to do.
You don't have to do anything. You don't have to say it back if you're not ready.
But that's the rule. Like, that's what they all do, you know, in the films and the books. Even in Nancy's dating guide.
Well, in real life, you don't have to say it until it feels right. For me, that was the other day. What you did, risking prison, no one's ever had that much faith in me. And I love you, but that's my truth. And if you can't say it until a month from now, or a year from now, or longer, that's okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now, please tell me you have a copy of Nancy's dating guide.
Cleo, thank you for meeting me like this. I needed to discuss your placement on my team.
Why, is there a problem?
No, not really. I'm afraid it may cause some unwarranted jealousy from your new colleagues, especially with you still being a student nurse. But don't worry, I believe you are the right candidate for the job. I think we can achieve great things and potentially save many lives together. But until everything's official, maybe we could continue to meet off-site, if that's something you're comfortable with.
Yeah, just whatever you think's best. Time for you to get cleaning.
I did the cooking, so you do the cleaning. That was the deal.
You heat it up in the microwave.
Do you know how hard it is to sort the timings out on a microwave meal of this size and caliber?
Would you like a parade? Anyway, I don't have time tonight. I have to prep. Sally has set up an interview with the school board for tomorrow morning, so...
Well, you'll smash it. Like I said, this family can handle anything.
I know I'm wasting my breath, but I don't need a babysitter. I just needed to think things through.
I'm not babysitting. I just needed some fresh air. You know how much Jim Moran gets on my nerves?
How about you go and get us some coffees then? There's got to be some advantages to my daughter co-owning a coffee stand.
Thank you so much for the opportunity.
Absolute pleasure. You deserve it.
Thank you. Elizabeth, you all right? How you feeling after last night? Kind of felt like you were a bit overwhelmed.
Oh, no, yeah, I'm fine, thank you. Was that Dr. Shazad I saw you with?
Yeah, we were just discussing my research placement. He's like one of the top oncologists in the world, and he's picked me to work with him. I can't believe it. Don't know how I'm ever going to say thank you and repay him. Right, I'll see you later.
Mom, what's happened?
I have been so stupid.
What are you talking about?
Ali, you're still doing it. Using his position. Taking advantage of girls who think he can do no wrong. How many other lives has he ruined? How many more girls will he hurt? I have to stop this, Yaz. I have to expose Ali for who he really is. I need to press charges.
I mean, this is nothing short of a coup. And believe me, there will be consequences. Just call me back, Sammy. What could be more important to you than my future legal career?